Snap to May. Looking downfield, pressure's on deep. Downfield, Kieslow Smith. Did he have the catch? Touchdown, Kieslow Smith. Wow. What a throw from Damian May. Kieslow Smith over the boards. Just the May to Smith completion. Just magic happens.
It looked like May was a little late on it, and the defensive back was going to get to him, but what a catch by Kieslow Smith.
Over the boards. First play from kick is up on the way, and it hits
it's good.
the wire and bounces in, and it's good. So kind of like a squib. So this one's kind of bounce awkwardly. Trayvon Saunders is going to return it. Trayvon Saunders has space again. Trayvon Saunders, there he goes, and he's going to get wrapped up still on his feet, but he'll be just short of the midfield marker. Here's go in motion. May takes the snap. Look downfield. He's got Eric Thomas. Touchdown, Blizzard. The former Nebraska Danger, now Green Bay Blizzard, does the gritty in the end zone, and he's got his second touchdown reception as a Blizzard back. Looking downfield, and no one's there. It's going to be a leaping interception by Corey Turner. Turner's going to take it upfield. There goes Corey Turner. He's got blockers, a convoy. Corey Turner up the sideline, down inside the 5-yard line. They'll mark him at the 6, but a leaping interception there from Corey Turner.
What a grab by the defensive back.
There was just no one there, and Turner had to leap to get this one. Brought it down inside the end zone. It was a live ball, and he returned it there up the left sideline, and it'll be a very short field here for the Blizzard. Motion. Takes the snap. It's going to be a pitch out to Kerryon Moore, and he'll just walk in untouched. Kerryon Moore, he's going to do that backflip again. He did it last week. I missed it. But into the end zone, Kerryon Moore gives the Blizzard a 2-possession lead, and 23-9 is our score. Henry Nell on to attempt the extra point. Get a 1-minute warning. May, Eric Thomas again, and a late hit. Will that draw a flag? It will. But a touchdown from Damian May to Eric Thomas. Touchdown horn sounds. And this one's just getting go in motion. May will hand it off to Kerryon Moore. Kerryon Moore, nothing but green grass. Touchdown. Green Bay, a front flip into the end zone. And the Blizzard have made it a 3-possession game. Absolutely no one there to stop Kerryon Moore. He just walks into the end zone, rather front flips. He cuts back there.
That landing didn't look too comfy.
Look at that blocking there from the offensive lineman. Kerryon Moore's been doing these flips. I wonder if Coach Roberson's going to have a sit down with him and say, you know what, let's hold off on the flips. Nell on to attempt the point after. Kick is up, and it is gone. Sends the receivers in forward motion. May is going to keep it on the quarterback draw. Into the end zone, touchdown, Damian May. His first rushing touchdown in a Blizzard uniform.
His 5th touchdown on the night. First rushing.
He has 4 passing, 1 rushing. And Damian May, he might be in the running for Offensive Player of the Week. Definitely in the running for masterful performance of the game, the extra point. Snap down, kick is up, blocked. It's going to be returned. Let's see what Malik Reeves could do. Malik Reeves down the sideline. Into the end zone, that's going to be 2 points. A blocked extra point taken back for 2 points. This special teams has just been something to watch. If you like special teams, the 2021 Green Bay Blizzard have been, they're going to be something to watch. They've been absolutely stellar to start the season. 5-yard field goal, if my math is correct. Saunders is the snapper, Triggs the holder, Nell the kicker. Snap is down, kick is up, on its way, and it is good.